Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at my latest design from the 2026 Afghan Club. And this beautiful textured pattern, you can see it is reversible. And it is called the Reversible Shadow Box Blanket. So it's definitely a waffle type texture, but it's a bit more of a deeper box-like waffle. So a shadow box design basically. And of course, yes, reversible. So Reversible Shadow Box Blanket is what I'm calling this one. And of course it can be made to any size, and you can use yarn and hook of choice. The sample I made using a beautiful sport weight or 5-ply merino, and I used an F hook or 3.75 millimeter. So you can use, again, yarn and hook of choice. This would be lovely with a DK weight or even a worsted weight yarn. And just whatever hook of choice that you want to use. I always recommend perhaps like a H hook, 5 millimeter for a DK weight yarn, and something larger like a K hook, 6.5 for a medium worsted weight. So I did work 12 rows of each of the colors before I changed. So for this sample one, I used a ivory. This was a sort of a mustard color and a nice medium pink, and this was called slate, so it was sort of a blue-gray. So I just did stripes of 12 rows each before changing colors. So I will film a video demo to make this pattern easy to follow. It is essentially a 1-row repeat. Basically all the rows are the same, but there's just more instructions involving how you are working, which direction you're working, what colors you're using. So all that will be spelled out in the written pattern, and also, of course, I will demonstrate that in the video. And of course you can make this to any size. I made a nice baby blanket size, approximately 32 inches by 36 inches. And it is just absolutely gorgeous in this lovely merino. So check it out if you're interested. I'll put the link in the description box to the pattern and also the 2026 Afghan Club, which if you follow me, you know that I do Afghan Clubs most years, and each ebook is updated each month with a new design and has approximately 12 or 13 patterns in each Afghan Club ebook. So check it out if you're interested. Again, link in the description box.